In today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing this very cool lithium jump starter from LOKITHOR right after this. If you are new to my channel and would like to stay up to date with the latest tips and tricks for Amazon Fire devices and product reviews, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon for future notifications. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a very interesting item from this company called LOKITHOR. I hope I'm pronouncing it right because this is like the second or third time this company has sponsored my channel, and I do want to thank the LOKITHOR for sending me this very cool gadget which can come handy in many different scenarios and emergencies. So the unit that they have sent me is called the J400. This is the model, the J400 lithium jump starter, and this is a very portable and small and compact unit. So wait until I show you this, how small and compact this unit is inside the box, and it's like, whoa, and it comes packed with features, very intelligent features, may I say, at the least. So that's the model number. The brand makes multiple different jump starters for different amps and whatnot, and different vehicle accessories, but they make a lot of different jump starters, and I think this is, I want to say that it seems like this is one of their most popular units because of its peak current and amperage. So this is what the box looks like. It comes packed very well, nice and handy. This is good for, trying to look at the box here. This is the J series as it shows, and this will jump pretty much any 12-volt battery. The model number is J400, and this works also on gas and diesel engines. I will elaborate about that here in just a moment when I go ahead and open inside the box and show you what's inside the contents. I just want to show you some quick specs. As you can see here, the starting current is 1,000 amps and the peak current is 2,000 amps, and there's some more specifications for you just in case. So yeah, so let's go ahead and look at what's inside the box, and then we'll go ahead and we can actually go ahead and test this out on a 12-volt battery that's actually right next to me. So looking inside the box, this comes packed very well. Here's their brand. Here's like a quick thank you letter and whatnot. Oops, I actually have this upside down. So there is, dear customer, blah blah blah. And then here's a nice user manual. As you can see, and this looks like it's printed. Yep, it's printed in color. Very nice and straight to the point. Okay, go ahead and put that aside. And then here is the unit. Now, before I show you the unit, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and keep unboxing what's inside the box. Here's some extra foam. Move these aside. And right down here on the bottom of the box, there is some nice heavy-duty jumper cables. Oops. Here's the negative and the positive. These are nice and sturdy. Okay, there goes that. Go ahead and put these aside. Let's go ahead and move this on this side of the table so we have a bit more space. And finally, this unit is also rechargeable. Like I told you earlier, it's a lithium rechargeable unit. So it comes with its own USB-A to USB-C charging cable. I'm sorry, USB-A to USB-C charging cable. You can actually plug this in on the side of the unit to charge it. So, but before I go ahead and get ahead of myself, you can see that off of this unit, you can actually jump start lithium. Actually, it's on this side right here. You can actually jump gas engines up to 8 liters in size. And you can also jumpstart any diesel engine that's up to 6 liters in size, which is very good. This is very nice. I like a 2-in-1. So this unit is kind of like an all-in-one unit. It can jump gas and diesel engines at the same time. And it's small and compact. I say this unit is about maybe 1 to 2 pounds in weight, give or take. And the approximate size, as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than my hand. It's very portable. You can carry it with you just about anywhere, and you can use it as a power bank. Speaking of features, so if you open up this left side right here, you can plug in that USB-C cable or any USB-C cable into this port right here and charge up the unit, or you can use this unit as a power bank to charge your phone or your tablet using a USB-A port right here. So that's one very nice feature. So this is like a, and by the way, the current capacity of this unit is 8,000 milliamp hours, which shows on the side of the box. I'm not sure if I pointed that earlier. And this is where you plug in the jumper cables into. I'll talk about that here in just a moment when I actually do that and do a quick demo. But yeah, this unit has plenty of features. It's such a lightweight unit. It's actually Like it's almost unbelievable. It's very nice, very well made. It's rugged, it's sturdy. Here's some quick specs about the unit, which you can see here, right? And try to zoom in on that. There you go. And yeah, so basically this is a lithium jump starter which can charge your car or your truck or SUV about 20 to 25 times, give or take. And it's got a huge LED LCD display. It's got bright. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this unit on by pressing and holding down the power button. And as you can see here from the LED display, this is very nice. You have your battery meter. So this is right now, this unit is fully charged. So you have one red, one yellow, and two greens. So you can tell this power bank slash jump starter is fully charged. And this is the current voltage. Of course, it shows all zeros because I don't have it plugged into a battery. And also has a very bright dual LED lights on the side to see what you're doing just in case it's at night. So if you press the light button, actually press and hold, look how bright this is. I'm actually going to have it pointed towards you. That is very bright. It's a lot brighter than other units. If you press the light button one more time, it goes into a flashing mode, like an SOS mode. If you press it one more time, it goes into a slow SOS mode. Very cool and very bright. I mean, these are like, I'm not sure how many lumens they are, but it's very bright. Believe me, it's more than what you need. And this button right here, I believe this is what changes different modes right here where the letter M is. And this is, and yeah, so, and then this is, of course, this is where you connect your jumper cables. Now, speaking of jumper cables, this LED display will show the current voltage once you plug it into a 12 volt sealed lead acid battery, only sealed lead acid battery, which I'll talk about that here in just a minute. So just to show you a quick demonstrations, ladies and gentlemen. So once you bring your jumper cables, and it has a lot of protection features built in as well. So once you bring this in here and you plug these, actually I have it in the wrong way. So once you plug this in, only plugs in one way, and as you can see, the unit actually turn on. So you have your positive and negative. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect the, so here right next to me on the right side of my table, I actually have a 12 volt lithium battery. It's a LiFePO 4 battery. It's actually not even a sealed lead acid battery, but of course this is not recommended doing, but I just want to show you a quick demonstration. I can connect to this battery. This battery is like fully charged. It's not a dead battery. I just want to show you a quick demonstration. Alright guys, so now that I just want to show you first what type of a battery this is. Of course, this is a 12 volt battery. As you can see, the positive and the negative side on the right hand side. But the only difference is that this is not a lead acid battery. This is what they call a LiFePO 4 battery, which is lithium technology. So there is no, it's not a sealed lead acid battery, period. Okay, so it's a completely different chemistry. So, and of course, that being said, I don't think this this jump starter works on a lithium battery. I doubt it. I'll have to double check the manual, but it will definitely work on any car battery that's sealed lead acid battery, if that makes any sense. So I'm just showing you a quick demonstration of how to connect it to your battery and how it's going to jumpstart your dead battery in an emergency situation, whether you're stuck on the road or on the side of the highway or whatnot, you know, anywhere that you are, basically. So the alligator clips are clearly labeled. The red is always going to be your positive, and the black is always going to be your negative. So I'm going to go ahead and connect the positive side first. Let's go ahead and do this. Oops. Go ahead and get a nice connection there. And I'm going to go ahead and connect the negative side. Oops. There you go. And now normally when you turn on the unit, when you turn on the J400, actually, let me get a better grip on the positive side, guys. Let's see. There you go. Actually, what we'll do is, that terminal is a bit loose. Go ahead and tighten it. And go ahead and connect that. There you go. So now, normally what you do is, once you hit the power button, let's see if I can fit this in the frame. Yeah. Once you hit the power button, ladies and gentlemen, the screen turns on and it will show you the current display of the battery, which is very cool, right? So there you go. So it shows 13.3 volts, and this battery is pretty much fully charged, guys. So yeah, so there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off, guys, because this is a lithium battery, but if this was a sealed lead acid battery, you will definitely be able to jump start this battery. If it was a lead acid battery, you'll be able to jump it within a minute to like 1 to 3 minutes, and as it will raise your voltage, and then you'll be able to jump start your battery. If you need to turn on the headlight, the LED light feature, you just press and hold that, and there you go. Or if you need an SOS, there you go, God forbid. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very nice lithium portable jump starter. Again, it weighs about maybe 1 to 2 pounds. It's very small and compact, and it truly feels like it's a very rugged and well-made quality unit, as long as the jump starter goes. And honestly, I have had a few of their other products from LOKITHOR, and they seem to make great quality products. So if you guys are interested in such a unit for any type of emergency, or if you travel often, I would highly recommend buying one of these for yourself, because this can really save you behind. So if you guys are interested, and if you found any benefits, you will find the link to this product in the description right down below. And if you found any benefits in this video, go ahead and hit that like button. I would really appreciate that. And if you are new to the channel, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications. And if you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and drop me a line right down below, and I'll usually get back to everybody in a timely manner. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and I will see you next time. Take care.